We're here in Brodnica at the headquarters of Wasiak SA, the largest of the Wasiak Group's 3 production plants. This company supplies the automotive industry with sheet metal elements, as well as welded and pressed sub-assemblies. The Wasiak Group has modernized 2 of its plants, the one we're in now and also Wasiak Industry in Kožuchov. The company places great importance on the quality of its products. That's why a key parameter of the lighting modernization was to increase the light intensity to a minimum of 750 lux. Besides the obvious aspects like savings and improved working conditions, by modernizing the lighting in its plants, the Wasiak company has also contributed to reducing carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere.
The lighting modernization at the Wasiak Group is first and foremost about economic value, but it's also, and no less importantly, about improving the lighting at the workstations. It also has ecological value, both for the company and for our planet, which means for all of us. It's about eliminating conventional light sources from the market, specifically the kind that the old lighting system was based on. These are sources that contain mercury. Today, mercury levels have already exceeded natural levels by 500% in the atmosphere and by 200% in the oceans. Eliminating these sources from the market also means reducing the demand for electricity, which is mainly based on coal, several times over. The collaboration between the company Krasi Światła and Luxon LED for Wasiak is, in a way, a double benefit. For years, we've been proving to our clients and to ourselves that this tandem is second to none. It's 2 teams of professionals where the clash of different visions creates the best solutions for the client.
For the modernization of the general lighting, the latest version of the Ultima LED fixture was chosen. Meanwhile, selected workstations were illuminated with the industrial LED fixture. In the tool room, an intelligent lighting control system was installed. Its task is to adjust the light intensity from the fixtures based on the available daylight, which allows for additional savings. Thanks to the 8-year warranty for Luxon LED fixtures, both plants have secured years of comfortable lighting.